Hello everyone. In this video, I'm talking to you about the future of work, how to make money on TikTok and on other social media pages. Welcome back. The nature of work is evolving and fast. In today's digital economy, people are no longer confined to traditional jobs or 9 to 5 routines or 8 to 4 in some cases. Platforms like TikTok have not only become places of entertainment, but also real sources of income and business opportunities. If you are wondering how to turn your time on TikTok into money, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to make things even beyond TikTok. Now, the future of work is digital and decentralized. We are witnessing a global shift. Those days, if you know how to sing and you know how to sing, you need a promoter for you to go to a studio, record, and then he will promote it for you. But today, you can be in your room and you record, and then your music will go on social media, people will like it, and they will gravitate towards you. From there, you can now get followers and make money. You can record your video, put it on some social media pages, and the more people view it, the more money you make. You can record your music and put it on some music platforms. The more people play the music, the more money you make. So the future of work is digital, is decentralized. We are witnessing a global shift. Work is becoming creator-driven. Attention is a new currency. Skills are more valued than credentials. So if you say you have PhD in music, but you have never sang a song, I doff my heart for you. Wonderful PhD. Location is no longer a limitation. Whether you are in America, in the heart of California, or you are in a village in a Jumu, local government of Kogi State, whether you are in that village, the location does not matter. What matters is your ability to get on social media with your content and with what you do. With short-form video platforms like TikTok, individuals can build brands, earn money, and grow businesses using only a smartphone and internet connection. Now, why is my focus on TikTok in this video? TikTok's explosive growth, over 1 billion monthly active users, makes it a gold mine for creators and entrepreneurs. Its algorithm gives new users the chance to go viral even without a large following, making it a fairer playing ground for monetization. How to make money on TikTok in 2025? Number one, join the Creator Fund if available in your region. To find out if it's available in Nigeria, I know at a particular time it was not available, this and that. Honestly, please, I'm sorry. At the time I was coming to make this video, I didn't confirm if the Creator Fund is available in Nigeria. But I've heard of some Nigerians who say they make money on TikTok. So go and check. Join the Creator Fund if available in your region. TikTok pays creators based on video views and engagement through its Creator Fund. While the payouts aren't always high, it's a good starting point for income. Focus on content that hooks viewers in the first 3 seconds and keep them engaged. I am a YouTube person. If you ask me anything on YouTube, I will tell you. But I'm making this on TikTok so that I'm also on TikTok, but I don't talk too much on TikTok. I show the thumbnail of my videos that are on YouTube. I put it there, and I also add a music from TikTok to it, the same thing on Instagram, and then I put the link of my video on YouTube. I put it there on TikTok. So anybody that see that can see the thumbnail and like the topic, can turn to YouTube to watch. So that's just me. Maybe later I may gravitate towards making money on TikTok. But what I'm doing is I'm driving traffic from my TikTok page to YouTube. driving traffic from Instagram to YouTube, from Facebook to YouTube. YouTube is my thing. I find it interesting. Then number 2 is brand sponsorships and collaboration. If you have a niche audience, brands will pay you to mention or review products, participate in challenges, wear branded merch. You can start even with 5,000 to 10,000 engaged followers in a focused niche like beauty, crypto, parenting, or education. Now, you can also sell your own products or services. You can use TikTok to drive traffic to your online store. Like I said, I drive traffic from TikTok to my YouTube channel. You can use TikTok to offer digital downloads, ebooks, courses. You can use TikTok to promote consulting, coaching, or freelancing. TikTok Shop has made it easier to integrate products, listings directly into your content. Then you can use TikTok for affiliate marketing. Wow, this one is huge. Promote products and earn a commission for every sale via your affiliate link. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Jumia, KOL, Digistore24, and many others are great places to start. Just be sure to disclose that you are using affiliate links. Then live gives and donation. When you go on live, once you hit 1,000 followers, you can go live. Viewers can send you virtual gifts that are redeemable for real money. It's especially effective if you have an entertaining or educational live format. Now, beyond TikTok, other platforms you should explore. Number 1 is YouTube Shorts. Monetize short videos with YouTube's partner program and ads. Also good for affiliate links and selling digital products. Then Instagram Reels. Post your TikToks to Instagram to grow another stream of followers and potential sponsors. Then X, formerly Twitter, Threads. Great for building a professional brand and offering services or crypto Web3 content. You can also use Pinterest and blogging. You convert short-form content into blog posts or visual pins to drive long-term traffic to your business. Tips for success on TikTok and beyond are as follows. Choose a niche. Focused content performs better because somebody that come to your channel to see how to make money online. So after seeing this one, you want to see another one, ways to make money online. If you now deviate and now go and talk about how to solve mathematics or how to solve physics, someone that want to make money online, what concern him with Yoruba language? That you want to teach him ABD, it doesn't tally. So focus on make money. Or like on this channel, when I started, it has no niche. I didn't know anything. I just wanted to motivate. But later I said that motivation if I followed it through, I will still get my audience. But along the line, I have motivation, I have this, I have that, I have different things happening. So I now decided that, see, let me leave this. I was talking about marriage on this same. I was talking about God. I was talking about microbiology. I was talking about making money from agriculture, making money from different things. Later, I have to settle down about 6 to 8 months ago and say, see, after hearing somebody, see, I need to work on this channel. So what I did was all videos that do not relate to make money online or offline, I removed them. So this channel, all the videos now is how to make money online and offline. Don't come and meet me with dubious business deal. I don't do that. I don't take part in it. I'm a Christian. I have conscience. If I don't have conscience, I will not be making this content. I'm just doing this, enjoying myself, impacting my world. So don't bring dubious deals to me. And because I talk about how to make money online and offline, that means I'm crazy for money. Anyhow, no. That is not it. I like to make money legitimately, and that is what I teach. So please, and on this channel, I have never come to dupe anybody or ask anybody to give me money or say I'm doing something that will bring money and you put money here. Then no, I didn't do it. The investment club I'm running and other things that came from time to time, I am silent on them. If I'm major on them, in every video I will have been talking about them. So you get the picture now. So be consistent. Post 3 to 5 times a week or more on TikTok. Then use trends wisely. Align trends with your message. There's a particular man, Dr. Charles Apoki. I follow the man. It makes sense. But other people also make sense like him. But they are not on social media. That is the difference. The other people make sense like him. They are good like him. But the only difference is that they are not on social media. They are just there at their own niche, at their own location. Only people, even people around their location don't know what they are up to. They cannot gather people to talk to them. So whatever experience they have, die with them. I don't want my experience, my knowledge, my everything to die with me. I want to reproduce myself in so many people, and that's what I'm doing. I'm a teacher. I'm born to teach. I'm a lecturer. I'm born to lecture. I'm a helper. I'm born to help. So engage your audience, respond to comments, and then create community. On this channel, if you ask any question, within 24 hours, I will respond. Even if you make comments, even if you abuse me, within 24 hours, I will come and respond. I will not abuse you back. I'm not brought up to be abusing people. But if it is something rubbish, I will use style to abuse you, but I will not abuse you directly. Then diversify income streams. Don't rely on just one method. Example niches for monetization are as follows. Number one niche is personal finance. And the content type is saving investment hacks. Then monetization ideas, affiliate marketing, links, course sales. Then fitness and health. You can use home workouts, diet advice. You can create coaching and then ebooks. Then on education is another niche. Then you can use quick study tips, tutorials, so you can make money from paid classes and templates. Then we also have fashion and beauty. And then you can in this case, we have outfit ideas, makeup routines. So you can have brand deals, and then TikTok shop. That's how you make money. Then motivation or faith, quotes, testimonies, live advice, merchandise, books, and donations. That is how to do it. So the future is you. You that are watching me now, the future is you. The future of work is creative, mobile, and personal. Platforms like TikTok have leveled the playing ground, giving everyday people the chance to earn a full-time income or side hustle revenue just by sharing what they love. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, content creator, or aspiring entrepreneur, you now have the tools to turn attention into income, and that is starting today. So this is Dr. Olubigade TV. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online. I teach you on this channel how to make money online and offline. If you keep coming to this channel and watching my videos daily and taking action on what you watch, what you learn, in 6 months' time, you will become a big person, bigger than where you are now, and better, both financially and in other areas of life. So take action on what I've said. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, share the link of this video, and keep coming back to this channel to watch more. Drop your comment and question in the comment section below. I just bought this piano because I want my children to learn how to play the organ. So I'm telling you, because learning how to play organ is a skill. Musicians, church, or other places, social events, they have to sing, and then organ brings art to the melody. So if you can play at a particular show, they can give you 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 100,000. If your child knows how to play the organ very well today, Every Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, that child will be busy making 30,000. That in a week is making 90,000. How much is the school fees of your child? If your child makes 90,000 in a week and the school fees is so, that child is likely to train himself through university without your help, if it's a federal government university in Nigeria or state university. So 90,000 in a week, in 2 weeks, that is 180,000. In 4 weeks, in a month, that's 160,000. How many people have 360,000 as their salary as civil servants? Let your child learn how to play the organ now. Buy it for them. I bought this close to 100,000 naira. Invest in a good one and get a teacher for them. Let them be playing it and be learning. I will see you in the next one. Before then, this video popping up by the side is the one you need to watch now. I will see you in the next one.